Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss hemophilia. We will discuss first hemophilia type A. So let's begin with this type A. Type A hemophilia is the most common hereditary cause of serious bleeding. It is also known as classic hemophilia. It is characterized by defects in the factor VIII. Now, what is its etiology? It is an X-linked recessive disorder that is caused by factor VIII deficiency. As it is X-linked recessive disorder, so males are affected more as compared to the females. 30% of cases are caused by acquired mutations, while 70% are caused by family history. The severe cases of hemophilia occur when factor VIII deficiency or factor VIII activity is less than 1%. In most cases, hemophilia is of moderate type and appears only in face of trauma or any other disorder of the blood. What are the signs and symptoms of hemophilia type A? First one is tendency towards easy bruising. Second one is severe hemorrhages occur after trauma or after surgery. Third one is spontaneous hemorrhages in case of severe cases are seen in tissues, especially in the joints. This is known as hemarthrosis, and this leads to deformities in the joints. These are the signs and symptoms of type A hemophilia. Now, what is the diagnosis for type A hemophilia? It depends on specific assays for the detection of factor VIII and measurement of partial thromboplastin time. First, we measure the partial thromboplastin time. And if it is elevated, then we do the specific assays for factor VIII. Now, what is the treatment? The persons are treated with the factor VIII infusions, and if these are prepared from human plasma, then there are risks for viral infections such as HIV infections. But now purified factor VIII concentrates are used and these infections are reduced. Furthermore, in some people, factor VIII infused factor VIII is recognized by the immune system as the foreign agent. So, immune system destroys this factor VIII and partial thromboplastin time is not corrected in these patients. Now we will discuss type B hemophilia. Type B hemophilia is caused by the defects in factor IX. It is caused by defects in factor IX, and the signs and symptoms for type B hemophilia are similar to that of the type A hemophilia, and therefore on the basis of signs and symptoms we cannot differentiate it from classic hemophilia. Partial thromboplastin time is increased, but diagnosis is made by specific assays for factor IX. How it is treated? It is treated by infusion of the recombinant factor IX. So This is all about hemophilia and its types.